Good afternoon. Thank you for calling. Yolanda speaking on a recorded line.
Hey, Yolanda. This is Roger Butler and Vincent Martinez from the California Health and Human Services Agency. Left us a voicemail.
I did. Thank you for returning the call.
What can we do for you?
Well, I was contacting you on we have a human resource person and human and other abuse animal hotline and support. And we have an incident where I have a firsthand knowledge of, where we have forced taxonomy classifications, forced informant and witness tampering, and tampering with witness testimony by changing the informant's information provided for a death certificate to be printed. And so we just wanted to get some feedback from you as to why the Department of Health and Human Services uses taxonomy classifications such as human resource person, which is the exact classification that was placed on the certificate that we're referencing in this time.
I'm not sure you're in the right spot. Are you sure you're not trying to reach the Federal Health and Human Services Office?
Well, actually, the certificate is issued by the state sponsor, which is the state of California, and it happens at birth. So on the birth certificate, there's a taxonomy classification, and then on the death certificate, there's a taxonomy classification. And if the man does not want that classification, then they are not allowed to get the certification. So we just wanted to get some feedback as to the state of California's policy on forcing racial classifications under taxonomy, as well as human resource person as a classification of an occupation of a civilian.
What is taxonomy?
TAXONOMY, taxonomy.
What does that mean?
Hold on one second. I want to make sure I get you exact definition. Let me pull my dictionary out for you. Okay, I'm pulling it up now. Okay, so this is from the 1828 Noah Webster Online Dictionary of the English Language for Taxonomy. Hold on a second, my screen just froze. Taxonomy, classification, a term used by French author to denote the classification of plants. Now, taxonomy is used as a racial classification in the United States, and a racial classification is applied to persons, and persons are designated human beings, and human beings are designated spiritless, without God, pagans, or other animals. So we're just trying to ascertain how and by what authority those classifications are being placed on civilians by the state of California.
Yeah, so You're definitely in the wrong place, but I think you may want to call the California Department of Public Health. They may be able to help you with that. Let me give you their phone number.
So they issue the birth certificates and the death certificates?
If they don't, they'll know who does.
So
we don't.
Your media department handles which division of the Health and Human Services? You don't handle all the media relations?
No, each department has their own.
Okay, so what department do you handle?
Health and Human Services.
Related to?
California.
And specifically what?
We're the oversight agency for the rest of the department, but we don't administer programs or implement policy.
You just oversee. Okay, so you're the overseer. You're saying that you're the overseer of those who are implementing human or other animal abuse type policies. That's what you're saying? Because that means you would be the right one that we need to speak with.
No, what I'm telling you is that we don't have a role here, and if you call the Department of Public Health, they may be able to answer your question or direct you to who can.
So as an oversight agent,
like
I'd like to know as an oversight agency exactly what oversight you provide to those agencies that are under you.
It's a complicated question.
Well, you
Would
can
you
just
like the number?
Well, I'd like an answer. I'd like to know what oversight you provide. That should be pretty straightforward. Oversight as to what type of actions.
We provide budgetary oversight. We provide managerial oversight. We provide human resource oversight. We provide a variety of oversights, but we wouldn't be able to answer this question for you. I can provide you the number if you would like.
I would, but I would like to know on the budgetary side, are you responsible for the conversion of cash equivalents as abandoned as cheated funds for the state of California?
I can't answer any of your questions. I'm going to give you the number, and then I'm going to hang up. So the number, if you want to write this down,
I'd like to write it
is
down.
916. That is 440-7259, and that is for the California Department of Public Health.
And who am I speaking with? Who am I speaking with?